Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. If you're wondering how Apple manages to stay ahead of the game without the big flashy announcements other tech giants make, you've come to the right place. Apple's approach to artificial intelligence, AI, is truly unlike any other, and it's been quietly reshaping the way we interact with technology. So, stick around for the next 10 minutes because we're diving deep into 7 fascinating ways Apple is revolutionizing the AI landscape. And trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Let's dive into this together. 1. Apple's silent but deadly acquisition strategy. Think about this. While most companies like Google and Amazon love making headlines with high-profile shows of tech innovation, Apple takes a completely different approach. Instead of loud announcements, they quietly acquire AI startups and integrate their technology seamlessly into the Apple ecosystem. Why is this smart? By moving under the radar, Apple avoids giving competitors a peek into their playbook. But don't be fooled, these acquisitions are anything but random. Apple strategically targets startups innovating in areas like natural language processing, machine learning, and computer vision. Take, for instance, Apple's acquisition of VocalIQ a few years ago. You probably haven't even heard about it, right? VocalIQ brought cutting-edge voice recognition to the table, and ever since, Siri has been getting sharper. Apple isn't just buying companies, they're weaving advanced technology into the Apple experience without making a fuss. This strategy builds a sense of intrigue. Users constantly feel like their devices keep getting smarter overnight. And let's be honest, who doesn't love a little mystery? 2. Putting you first. The User-Centric Philosophy. Now this one's a game changer. One of Apple's key philosophies is putting the user first, and nowhere is this more evident than in how they apply AI to their devices. Apple isn't just trying to win a competitive race, they're designing AI tools that work for you. Every update feels like it was designed to anticipate what you want and how you work. Pretty cool, right? For example, take Siri shortcuts. They've quietly gotten better at predicting what you're about to do. Your commute? Siri knows it. Your favorite playlist? Right there when you need it. It's these small, personalizable touches that remind you why Apple feels so intuitive. Here's where they outshine competitors. They're not chasing flashy features for the sake of it. Instead, Apple focuses on refining everyday interactions to make tech feel more human. 3. On-device processing. The ultimate power move. Here's something that you might not have realized about Apple's AI. Instead of relying solely on the cloud like Google or Alexa, Apple prioritizes on-device AI processing. What does that mean for you? Well, if you've been worried about privacy in our hyper-connected world, Apple's strategy is basically a dream come true. By moving most of the processing straight to your iPhone, iPad, or Mac, they're safeguarding your data. Facial recognition, voice commands, even your predictive text, it's all happening locally on your device. This isn't just about privacy, though. On-device processing means faster speeds and a much more reliable experience. For example, Face ID unlocks your phone in the blink of an eye, whether you're online or not. So, next time your iPhone learns your habits or suggests apps just when you need them, that's Apple's AI working behind the scenes. Smooth, efficient, private. 4. It's all about integration, baby. Here's where Apple absolutely slays the competition. The way they integrate AI across their entire ecosystem. Think about it. If you have an iPhone, an Apple Watch, or a MacBook, you've probably noticed how everything just works together seamlessly. What you might not realize is that AI is what makes this magic possible. For example, the handoff feature allows you to start a task on one gadget and pick it up on another instantly. Writing an email on your Mac but need to leave? Grab your iPhone and finish it there. It already knows where you left off. Another great example is their improved image recognition. Open your Photos app on any Apple device, and it'll intelligently group similar pictures together, identify people, and even search objects like mountains or dogs. That's AI in the background, enhancing your experience across devices without you even thinking about it. Integration is the secret sauce that makes Apple devices feel like part of one cohesive experience rather than a bunch of separate gadgets. 5. Privacy is priority number 1. Privacy might sound like a buzzword, but for Apple, it's at the heart of everything they do. While other companies often rely heavily on cloud-based AI, which means your data gets processed online, and sometimes shared, Apple has committed to keeping your info private and secure. In fact, one of their best-kept secrets is differential privacy, a unique technique that allows Apple to analyze user data on a large scale without ever identifying who's who. Let me put it into perspective. Your iPhone may learn your texting habits to help with predictive suggestions, but does Apple know exactly what you typed? Nope. This focus on privacy gives Apple a competitive edge because it fosters trust with users. It's something more and more people are valuing in a world where AI is becoming more integrated into our lives. Privacy without compromise. 6. A peek into the future. Personalized devices that adapt to you. Let's talk about where Apple's AI strategy is heading because, wow, the future looks promising. Imagine a world where your iPhone knows your daily habits so well that it can anticipate your next move. Going for a run? Your Apple Watch preps your favorite running playlist. Working from home? Your iMac shifts to Do Not Disturb, knowing you're probably on a Zoom call. This isn't science fiction. Apple is working toward devices that aren't just customizable but incredibly personalized through AI. With advances in machine learning, we're already seeing progress. Siri has become better at understanding context. Maps adjust routes based on your schedule. And then there's the seamless cross-device experience, which makes me think, will one device eventually know it all? Apple believes in creating not just tools, but partners in your daily life. The idea here isn't to overwhelm you with features. It's to make sure your tech works so smoothly that it adapts to you without you even noticing. 7. Changing the industry without making a scene. Finally, here's something to truly appreciate about Apple. They're redefining the tech industry without making waves. While Googling something on Google's AI or asking Alexa to play a song might seem cool, Apple is playing the long game. They're developing thoughtful AI technologies that put the user, you, at the center of the experience. We're talking about things like continuous improvements to accessibility features, empowering everyone regardless of ability, or even small details like Siri whispering when your environment is quiet. These are examples of Apple saying, how can we make technology feel less intrusive and more helpful? It's easy to overlook just how much Apple's approach stands out. While other companies seek to dominate the market with spectacle, Apple focuses on earning trust, building loyalty, and delivering technologies that actually improve your life. Wrapping it all up. All right, let's do a quick recap. Apple may not be the loudest voice in the AI race, but make no mistake, they're leading in ways that truly matter. Their quiet acquisition strategy is super smart and keeps everyone guessing. They put you, the user, at the center of everything they do. On-device AI processing is a game-changing move for privacy and speed. No one does integration like Apple. It's the glue that binds their entire ecosystem. Privacy isn't just a feature, it's the foundation of their AI. The future of Apple AI is all about personalization, making your devices smarter than ever. Even without flashy announcements, Apple is quietly reshaping the tech world. So there you have it. Apple isn't just creating products, they're crafting an experience that feels personal, intuitive, and secure. If you've enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of tech. Tell me in the comments, which of these AI advancements are you most excited about? I'd love to hear your thoughts, so let's keep this conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.